Morning, guys. We have an interesting day today. We're gonna paint a mural, and you guys are gonna come with me. So right now, damn, it's bright out here. I have to go buy the paint. Gotta go to RD. Gotta go to Home Depot. So let's go get the stuff. I sound like that guy, huh? That's making those drinks. Let's go get the stuff, and I'll show you right now what I'll be painting. So, all right, guys, update. I got all the stuff. And now we are going to RD. We got to go get the paint, the spray paint. So yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys posted. And I was gonna do the shelf thing, but nah, just get to work. So stay tuned, guys. Let's go get the paint. Peace. Guys, sorry to cut the video, but I also wanted to show you guys my website, www.arinkbombers.com. And I'll have it up right here. If you guys want to cop any prints or any paintings, this is the site where to get those things. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a brief description of all my work. Check it out, and hopefully you guys like some of the work. And also, a lot of the work is exclusive, so once they're gone, they're gone. I won't remake it anymore. So just wanted to throw that out there for you guys. Every little bit helps. It goes through the channel, and yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Now enjoy the rest of the video. See you soon. There you go, guys. If you guys want some paint, come to Writing Dirty. They got everything here, from black books to markers. That's pretty cool. Is that you guys' phone number? The 562? Yeah. All right. This is kind of cool. A little brown bag. Reminds me of elementary when you get your brown bag for lunch. But yeah, guys, I got all the paint. I think I might have to go get another black semi-gloss, because I don't know why. I think I maybe need another one, but we'll see. Got it. Just needed another one, so I don't know. I just felt maybe that wasn't enough, but I'm gonna keep them separated only because the lady mixed this one, and the other lady, I asked her, but she said you don't need to on the smaller one. So I'm gonna try to use this up first, and if I don't use the other one, then I'll just take it back. So all right, let's go. Good morning, guys. It's your boy AR. We're mic'd up, but so today's gonna be a good day. We're gonna go paint a little mural at Rose City Pizza, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. Very, very simple mural, nothing too crazy, like I said earlier, and we're gonna do a video for it. So stay tuned. I hope the painting and the mural have a sense of you know, like a flow, and everything looks smooth, and that's the objective today. We are going to be working on some other projects coming up soon. We're gonna do our first pair of Nikes, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, guys, thank you for coming along in this journey. This is what we do, where we like to create art, we like to create experiences, and that's what it's all about. So this is me documenting everything. So this is what I call an artist life. So this channel is, I should be titling it Artist Life, but that's what it's all about, man. Experiences, checking out new places, you know, traveling, and you know, finding inspiration along the way. So we do have an art show coming up November 16th on a Saturday, so don't forget. I'll be putting up the flyer here for you, and you guys have a good day, and let's get it. Sorry, it's a little loud. A lot of cars are passing by, so I'm gonna make this quick. See, you can see this. I didn't do this, obviously. My buddy Rask did this with the homie Versus. So Rask and Versus ended up doing this. I think he did the lettering, and then Rask did the buildings and the rows. But Rask did a lot of stuff around the building. So that's how I got introduced to this guy. He ended up doing some roses. So he did these roses right here and on that side too. So right now, so when I came to help him inside for that other mural, that's when he there's nobody in there. But when I helped him do this mural right here, I'll show you in there later. When I helped him out with the other mural, the owner saw my work and he asked me to do the commission painting that you see, the Back to the Future painting. So we ended up knocking that out, and then now we're doing the backdrop for this painting. So stay tuned, guys, and let's get. Scenes. And this is their hallway. This is the mural me and Ras did when I helped them. And then these arcades are going to be over there, so you're not even going to see most of it, but you're going to see this side and you're going to have the painting on top. So after I finished up the mural, the owner decided to give me just to give me a pizza for lunch. And man, this pizza is pretty bomb here. So if you guys are around the area, stop by at Rose City, and they have phenomenal pizza. They even have different styles of pizza like deep dish, all kinds of stuff. But it's really good, has a lot of flavor, and they were kind enough to make me one. So thank you, Rose City. Thank you guys for giving me the opportunity. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned. We got something coming for you. We got a skateboard deck and we got some custom Nike. So let's go. Peace, guys. Have a good one.